All right, so I got you zoomed out there to see what's going on. Basically what we're doing today is, you know, I've got the suspension cross member out and it's being remade. It's supposed to be done today. My buddy Robert, he's a machinist and he's making it for me and he does a really good job, but sometimes it's hard to get the pipe bent because the pipe gets bent somewhere else. But anyhow, in anticipation of having that back today, we're going to take these airbags off. These airbags are not in horrible shape, but I figured since we had it off, let's throw some new bags on it anyways. We'll put some shocks on it as well. We'll get some rust treatment down on the spring purchase and we'll get these bags changed, and then these bags can transfer over to Dolores. So we're basically just going to change these airbags and get this thing ready to go. Chad's washing Vienna, so there's a little bit of noise going on in the background. But let me tell you what, that truck's starting to clean up pretty nice. I'm actually pretty excited. And he's gonna make that video tonight and try and get that posted in the next couple of days. Let's see what else we gotta do. I could just talk forever, so maybe I should just get back to work. Let's get after it. Show you what Don's dealing with down in there. It looks like a lot of fun, for sure. All right, so he's just taking the top bolt off the airbag mount. And then we'll slap a new bag in there. Let me grab a little bit of primer. The guy was hunting for that gear, wasn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Sucks when your transmission lets you down. I mean, it ain't never the driver.
Yeah.
It's always the transmission. I don't know why this dang thing's doing that. Yeah, these are the same bags. We'll
that
put.
One's blow?
Huh?
That one's bad?
Nope. That one's just, since I've got the suspension part off anyways, I was going to put new ones on, and then that one's going to go on Dolores, because Dolores' bags are blown.
You got 4 new ones?
Just got 2.
Just got 2.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if they were the right ones, and Don isn't helping me at all over here. I wasn't sure if it was the right one or not, so I figured I'd order a pair, and if they worked, cool. And if they didn't, well, it's just that much less to send back. Why you let me put this on without painting that? Oh boy.
Have you heard from your guy to see if the piece is done
No,
yet?
he hasn't called. You know what? That piece don't have no rust on it at all. You can keep that one. I got another one.
Hold your breath, Don.
No, man, breathe in deep, bro. Breathe it.
Yeah.
Breathing in deep. Do you see my nut down there, Don? I dropped it. It went crazy and shot off of there. And there's a special one too. Do you see it down there? Come on, man. Don't be like that. It's a washer and a lock nut.
It's a washer. You're sitting on a washer.
That might not be. That might be the washer for the... Oh, nope, it is. Give me that back. It is the right one. And you see a lock nut down there? It went flailing. I mean, I should have had better throttle control on my thrust button, but this is the one you just took off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna use that while you keep looking.
Oh, actually, no, I didn't take.
Yeah, it's still hot.
Yeah, I didn't take the inner one off.
The outer one?
I didn't take the other one off.
Oh, then this is it. How did it just set up there? There's no way that happened, dude.
What's that? Well, no, you got this one off too. On this side. Yeah, it's still gotta be lost.
Yeah, but I don't remember putting it up there, dude. You were sitting up there. There should be a nut laying over there.
Okay.
Okay, yep, that was it then. I don't know how it did that.
That's the one you would take off, wasn't it?
Oh, that's not the right size, is it? Yep, it is. This is it. I don't know how it just went right there and stopped. It's the strangest thing in the whole world.
For this.
No, the small one. The one I took off and it just flailed out of there. All right, this bag's ready. It does look a lot better. I want to paint that perch. You're going to put that on there like I did, and then you're going to be like, oh man, I got to take it back off. Then you're going to lose the nut.
It's not rusty underneath.
And I know, but I'm just spraying it anyway. That's what I said about that one. I'm like, hell, it doesn't even need it, but I did it anyways. It'd take me 2 seconds. Then you can put that thing back on. Rub it off. That's good. Breathe deep, guys. It's good for you. It's so good for you. And then while I'm at it, there you go.
Oh, nice. That's what I'm talking about.
Little Franken rubber duck.
Sweet. Drill that hole out and you can sit on one of the switches or something.
Heck yeah, it'd be awesome. You got the tool, or did I bring it over there? I don't even know what I did, Don.
Yeah, I think you got it. You were using the air.
Yeah. Don't be dropping stuff and no cussing. So I come home from being gone 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And right over by the trash can is a 1/2-inch drive, 3/4 snap-on socket rusting right to the ground right there. And I know it's when I took this suspension apart.
Mm-hmm.
Here, have these. These are good stuff. You can have those. And yeah. All right, that part is finito. There's your ratchet. Now what we could do is go right over to Dolores and install 2. You know what I mean? Wonder who that was. We could put those 2 bags on Dolores.
Finish these first.
The bad thing about trying to put them on Dolores is the suspension's down, so we'll never get the bags out of there. Well, I'll just put them in the box and we'll do them later. I don't really want to, I mean, I do want to put them on right now, but I may not even put used bags on Dolores for the $65 they are. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? 130 bucks for 2 delivered. Nice. Nice. Those will be ready when the new parts get here.
You got new U-bolts.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, I couldn't even budge these.
I don't think those are going to work anymore.
Nope. I couldn't even budge them with a 1/2-inch impact.
Dang.
Yep. So I just got the 1/2-inch cutting torch out instead.
Threw one out and had an extra one, so brought
Nice.
it to me.
It's awesome.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm still pissed at that I did that on Trisha. It straightened out okay. And I decided I'm going to go with a different style light anyways. I'm going to put regular mud flaps on and then just put the center light in.
Yeah, you know, I contemplated switching mine back over because
Thread
it's
sealers are still in
$200
Marlin.
a piece.
Huh?
Thread sealers still in Marlin.
Nope. Yeah, they're expensive, and it only takes 1 second of a slip up and the thing's ruined.
Yeah, on it. Well, it's controllable for me because I can't necessarily move my fifth wheel back any because then I'm not going to have any weight on my steers. The JB Hot Ones go so far forward it's not even funny, but yet then the landing gear's back farther, so you don't have to worry about anything. Then every single other one of them is junk, and it's irritating.
Well, like, and if you're on some clay like here, you're backing up and you get in the clay and the thing slides, and the pin hits right here, you're screwed. You're already screwed, and then bam.
Yep, it's hard to have nice things when you work the chalk.
Yeah. Well, I'm about to find that out.
Fiberglass, because it would have just shredded it.
I think I'm going to take this cross member off.
Yeah, that's why I don't do fiberglass fenders or anything. I want to, but I'm like, one blow up is what they're doing.
I mean, it'd be different if it was an all-time show truck, but
Yeah.
I think I'm going to take this off and take it to the machine shop with me and have him bend me up a new one. I don't like the way that thing's bent up.
no, kind of.
It was way worse. Yeah, obviously
Did you do that?
the fifth wheel must have let loose and they pinned it, and it was pulled so hard the frame rails were tipped in.
Jeez.
I bent this all back out with the forklift and torch.
Wow.
Yeah, my one frame rail tips in a little bit on that side, and you can see where the kingpin grabbed it.
But yep. Hi, Mama.
Morning.
Good morning.
Let me get you on the video. People like to see Mama on the video. Let me come down here. Hey guys, you see who just paid us a little visit out here in the workshop? What's up, babe?
Coming to give you guys some water.
Heck yeah! And how about
Water
some food? Is it 11? I can eat probably now. It's full of water still, probably.
only. Oh, you have water out here.
Yeah, but we don't have ice. And Chad would like a few beers put in that ice.
I can do that.
It'd be
Okay.
awesome.
Yeah.
I told him I'd just bring it out here and throw it in there. That way I don't have to go back inside and out.
You want to get some dogs and burgers
I will order them.
and buns?
I will order them.
I'm gonna need something though before too long. I can't wait 2 hours.
Well, I thought you would have made yourself some breakfast.
Babe, I got out here at 9 a.m. I can't have breakfast till 11. You know this.
You got a
You know this
breakfast bars
stuff.
you can snack on.
I can snack on the breakfast bar. Mama,
No.
no,
No.
no snacks. Do you want that Band-Aid from Sean?
Ouch.
Yeah,
Me?
yeah, that was on the
what?
back of Sean's truck where the damage was.
Really?
Yeah, and then
It's
he
kind of cool. I
It
mean,
is.
I would.
take it.
I'll stick it up in the shop.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how long it'll be there, but it's cool.
Yeah,
It's funny.
yeah. I
Can't
don't.
believe you just left it.
Well, he traded me. He traded me that for the aluminum he used to fix it.
Nice.
Yeah, and I just don't have anything I can put it on. I should put it on something, but I just
Stick it up in the shop and
Hang it
have
on
it
the
hang.
front of candy for now.
yeah. Oh, I could put it on the bumper of candy.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
But it's cool if you want it,
needs
you can have it.
painted. Needs
Yeah.
sexed up a little bit.
Yeah, maybe
Cool, it's heavy duty.
clean it and then clear it so it
Yeah.
looks like it's bleeding. Don, you about done up in there? All right.
Make sure I do it right for you.
James is excited to have that finished without having to do it. Oh man, I hope he calls and we can
Get that part.
go get that part. I'd love to have this truck back to working so I can get it out. This is a bad idea. Look, guys, you got to try and convince me not to park stuff in front of the dang old door. You know, because I do it. I park something here to work on it, and then the thing's waiting on parts, and it just sits in front of my door.
You can still move it though. Can you move it or not?
I could. I
I
could.
mean, you can air it up. What's just missing this thing right here, right?
Yeah, and well, it just goes across from one side to the other, and then I have the airbags all unhooked, so I'd have to hook the airbags all back up, and then it might overinflate those.
I mean, you just crimp the line off and you can still roll
Yeah, yeah, true. True. But what was I just gonna do, Chad?
I
You
don't
remember?
know, I'm letting all that dry over there before I do anything else. We'll be able to blow the ground off again, clean it up, and maybe we'll open the doors and start crap out.
I was thinking if you took the leaf blower in there, you open the passenger door, climb up on the driver's side, and then try and leaf blow it all out.
I could probably do that, but
Save you a little bit of problems.
I might want to
We
go
might
to
wanna-
the store and get one of them suits
Yeah.
first. And
Well, if we have to go get that part,
Where'd my schmoo go?
what kind of schmoo you looking for? Oh, it's right there. I see your schmoo on the floor. Your old two-stroker schmoo.
Yeah, it was my schmoo.
Man, I wish Wayno lived close by, don't you guys? That'd be sweet. And he is kicking my butt, subscriber-wise. I had him by like 1,400, and now he's got me by 2 grand. He's an animal, man. You know, the thing is, I told him, I said, he's like, man, I really want the channel to grow. I'm like, stop buying those ugly-ass Peterbilts and buy you a Kenworth or a Freightliner. And then right after I said that, his channel blows up and blows right by me. So I probably shouldn't pick on the Peterbilt gods, because
wonder what these
they
guys
can be
think
mean.
when they pull by here and they're pulling those empty log trailers.
They probably thinking, man, I used to drive that. Yeah. I figured Garrett would be here by now. What time is it?
I don't know. All my shit's over here.
Oh, I think that's the wrong size anyway. What do you think, Don?
Looks good to me.
It's gonna be nice. Nice brand new suspender hitch on this thing. Yeah, I'm ready for this truck to be on the road making some money, you know. All right, so basically I'm just taking these old fasteners off. They used to hold the little fender flaps on. And yep, and then I'll take my hammer and dolly and I'll dolly block these tops of these fenders, get them squared up, and then they'll be ready for this one's got a little bend in it, but you know, these fenders, like Chad told me yesterday, these fenders will make me money, so no sense in replacing them. So I'm ready for the suspension part. I got these lower brackets cleaned up. Now there's a little grease on there I didn't take care of, but that's on the bottom. We're going to pressure wash this anyways. I just wanted to get this side that goes up against the bottom of the spring done, and you know, just kind of get ahead of the rust on that. It's an etching primer, so it should be fine. So hopefully that suspension component comes. We'll get that thing cleaned up, painted, stick on there, and we'll air this truck back up, make sure that this valve works that I put on. We'll change the valve. Well, we might change that valve right now. All right, so what we're trying to do, guys, is we're trying to manually slide this fifth wheel forward, and with no grease. And yeah, we already did a lot of horsing around. Oh, wait, wait. We're trying to push against the locks. Yeah, because we got too much weight on it. There you go. Keep airing it. We'll try our best.
Like your tight catching over there.
No, it's past it.
You know what? If you had a come along, you just hook it up right to the front and pull it.
You gotta do yours, Don. You out of bolts. What you gonna do now? You done dropped your pistol when you bust through the window.
How far forward do you need to go?
It's almost there. It's almost there. Oh, nice. All right, that's good. What do you think? Good? Yeah. Man, that was the best thing we did all day. Well, so we got the fifth wheel moved. I got to take, I think in the other video I may have cut all this out, but there's like a safety valve on this tank, and what it does is the tank has to get to 100 psi before it pushes past this valve and supplies air to the air seat and to the dash controls and stuff. And that way, if something happens and you blow a line on that circuit, this valve will close and it'll save your air pressure free brakes. And I think there's air in this tank, so when I take this hose off, it's going to be like, I can tell you already that this is a way easier job than it was laying underneath the thing trying to reach this. Moving that fifth wheel was an awesome idea. I'm glad I thought of it. See Chad over there almost spit his beer out. And I think,
That's a good idea.
I think it was his idea.
I mean, the only thing better could be the tent.
Yeah, I wish I'd have
I mean,
brought the
you're
tent
only
out
going to
here.
be there for 5 minutes, right?
Right.
Maybe 10.
Yeah. And then I'm going to be working inside the shop.
Would be nice.
Yep. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3 of the 4 airlines off. I got to get this one from the back. All right, so this is where we're working down here, and that's where that fitting goes. So it's hard for you to see what I'm looking at, so I figured I'd just give you a shot, but we'll leave you up here. That was a pain in the butt. Let me grab a valve and I'll show you what it does. Alright, so this is the valve that goes in there, and what it does is there's a spring in this part and it's preset, so it takes 90 psi inlet pressure to open this, and then the air from these two things can do the bags and do the truck. That's why you see a truck will start airing up, it'll get to 90, then the airbags will come up, and then you can move the seat and stuff, and that's this valve right here. And it was defective and it was never opening. So yeah. So just to test it and make sure that the valve was actually bad, I took it off and just put a regular T in. Okay, be right back. Okay, that's out of there. This goes where that was. It already has some stuff on the threads, so I don't have to worry about putting any more on. We might have to turn this fitting a little bit. I don't know how you're supposed to tighten that thing, to be honest with you. Right back. So just 2 more lines to go and this will be done. And then we'll, hopefully the suspension component will be done. Then we can put that in and air this truck back up and see if this works. Hopefully it does, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to change. Oh. Oh. And then that top one can rotate that way. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Boy. Yeah, because that's got to go this way. Okay. All right. So there's a new fitting, there's a new valve, and got the fittings all on. They look good. So that's it for right now. Waiting on that part to come in. Let's go get started on that engine.